Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG microwave not heating in 2026. Now, a microwave can still light up, spin and appear normal, but heating depends on the high voltage system and door safety circuit working together. If either fails, your food stays cold even though the microwave runs. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to confirm that the door safety switch is engaging properly. So here you need to listen carefully for a solid latch click. If the door is loose, misaligned or not sealing correctly, the safety switches may prevent the magnetarian from activating. So you need to simply clean the latch area and test it again. If heating returns after properly securing the door, you can confirm that the issue was door switch related. Even after doing this, if the issue still persists, then the second thing that you can do is you can test the full power settings before assuming any kind of hardware failure. So you need to set the microwave to maximum power and heat a cup of water for a minute. If heating improves, the issue was incorrect power configuration and not any internal damage. If there is no heat, you can now rule out settings as the cause. Now, you can also perform a full electric reset. This allows the control board to reset and clear temporary software and the sensor glitches. In it, you just have to unplug the microwave completely for about 5 minutes and then you just have to plug it back in and retest. So if the microwave heats normally after doing the reset, the problem was likely control board related. So you can just keep on trying these things and see if your microwave is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.